Good evening, everyone. These are case study report presented by Armando Gerald I, Bagi Prince Rensler D, Robilio Generali E. The title of our case study is Case Study Analysis and Group Discussion on Application of Instrumentation Codes and Standards in Industrial Setting.
Case study main agenda is to change and update the current instrumentation code and standard, calibration, safety protocols, and communication standards to the latest industry standard that align their instrumentation systems with current national and international standards. Introduction: Tecmanu Industries makes electronic parts for consumer devices. They are growing and improving their production facilities to work faster and meet industry requirements. The company is focusing on increasing efficiency. Their goal is to ensure they meet the latest standards in manufacturing. And to achieve this, they need to assess and align their instrumentation system with current national and international standards. Problem: Tecmanu Industries faces challenges due to outdated equipment calibration, insufficient safety standards, and communication issues. The company's equipment doesn't meet industry standards, compromising efficiency and quality. Inconsistent calibration procedures and multiple communication protocols cause inefficiencies requiring upgrades and standardization. Objective of study: This case study aims to align Tecmanu Industries' instrumentation systems with national and international standards, improve calibration and safety procedures, and optimize communication protocols. Students will analyze real-world issues, development strategies, and enhance operational efficiency.
Instrumentation Standard Proposal ISO, IEC, ANSI, and NIST are important international standards organization for instrumentation system in industries. ISO develops standards for technology, scientific testing processes, and working conditions, while IEC promotes safe and efficient use of electrical and electronic technologies. ANSI supports technology standards development in United States, ensuring global competition while maintaining safety and quality. NIST provides guidance on cybersecurity standards, enabling Tecmano to improve instrumentation accuracy and ensure compliance with national standards. This organization helped Tecmano align its instrumentation system with global quality and safe practices. Benefits of update code standard for instrumentation. ANSI support technology standards development in US. Align US standard with international ones for global competition. Tecmano uses ANSI's calibration and safety procedures. NIST developed cybersecurity standards, providing guidance for organizations to secure critical data and ensuring compliance with national standards. Rationale: Tecmano Industries utilizes ISO 9001, IEC 61508, ANSI 5.1 20424, and NIST SP 80053 standards to ensure quality, safety, clarity, and security. These standards enhance product quality, reduce risk, improve communication, and strengthen information security, enabling Tecmano to operate effectively in the competition electronics market. Next slide. Applicable standards for instrumentation system. ISO 9001 is an international quality management system that Tecmono Industries can use to ensure consistent delivery of high-quality electronic components. It aligns with the company goals of enhancing operational efficiency and addressing outdated calibration and inconsistent safety standard. IEC 61508 provides functional safety standards for the life cycle of electronic system, ensuring safety and reliability. And ISA 5.1 2024 provides a uniform approach for instrumentation symbols and identification, improving clarify and consistency. NIST SP 80053 provides guidelines for developing secure information system, ensuring compliance with federal regulation and industry best practices, and enhancing operational resilience.
Calibration and Safety Strategy Proposal. Calibration Plan. Tecmano Industry plans to implement a regular calibration plan based on ISO IEC 17025 standards to ensure accurate measurements and maintain quality. Instruments will be categorized by importance, calibrated once a year, with critical once every 6 months. Staff will be trained in calibration techniques and detailed logs will be maintained. Regular reviews and internal audits will ensure compliance with industry requirements. Safety System Analysis. Tecmano Industry is grappling with issues with its Safety Instrumented System SIS and Safety Integrity Levels SIL, which are crucial for safe operation in electronic parts manufacturing. Many SIS are outdated and do not fully comply with safety standards such as IEC 61508. Inconsistent calibration procedures and communication issues further exacerbate safety risks. To improve efficiently and align with industry requirements, Tecmano must modernize its instrumentation system standards, calibration practices, and ensure all safety systems meet SIL classification. Safety Standard Proposal. Tecmano Industries can enhance safety by conducting a hazard and probability study, adopting IEC 61511, and implementing regular safety audits. Employee training on safety practices is also crucial. Standardizing communication between factory devices enhance data sharing and control. Fostering a strong safety culture encourage everyone to prioritize safety and report concern. By following these steps, Tecmano can significantly improve its industrial processes. Propose of communication standards. Tecmano Industry should standards on Internet, IP, OPC, UA, and Modbus communication protocols to improve efficiency and streamline operation. Internet IP offers high-speed communication. OPC UA facilitates secure data exchange, and Modbus is simple and easy to implement. These protocols can improve data sharing, reduce communication issues, and ensure industry standards compliance, boosting productivity and safety. Communication protocols. Tecmano industry uses communication protocols like HART, Profibus, and Fieldbus to facilitate data exchange between manufacturing devices. HART allows digital communication over analog wires, while Profibus connect automation device faster data transfer and improve process control. Fieldbus protocols ensure interoperability among equipment, allowing devices to work together effectively without compatibility issues. Next. Conclusion. Tecmano industry should adopt international standards for quality management, functional safety, instrumented clarity, and cybersecurity. Regular calibration plans, modernization of safety instrumented system, and standardization of communication protocols will improve product quality, safety protocols, and efficiency. Implementing recommendation for Tecmano industry will improve operational efficiency, safety, and consumer trust, improve data sharing, real-time communication, update SIS, and calibration practices will enhance safety and positioning Tecmano as a competitive electronics player. And that's all. Thank you very much for listening and have a good day.